Colorado child seat laws. Child restraint in a motor vehicle can be the difference between severe injuries in a car accident. Child safety restraint systems, like child seats, booster seats, and seatbelt attachments, are proven to reduce injury risk to child passengers in car accidents. Ignoring the child seat laws can increase the risk of injury to a child in your car, but also risk a traffic citation. Why do I need a car seat or booster seat for my child? Significant research by government agencies, car manufacturers, and child safety restraint manufacturers all agree that these modifications reduce the risk of harm to a child in the event of a car accident. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 600 children die in car accidents each year, with 63,000 child injuries each year. Normal car seats in automobiles include a number of safety devices to reduce injuries. However, these safety mechanisms are designed for passengers who are the typical height and weight range of an adult. Children do not receive the same degree of protection from normal passenger safety devices. A car seat or booster seat that is properly installed and used gives your child passenger the best protection from harm. Car seats required in Colorado for children under 8 years of age. Colorado's safety restraint law requires all children under 16 years of age wear seatbelts or other safety devices depending upon their age. Children under the age of 8 must ride in child safety seats rather than using seatbelts. Which car seat is correct? The Colorado child seat law defines different restraint rules depending upon the child's age and size. Under 1 year old. From birth to 1 year old and weight under 20 pounds, the child should sit in a rear-facing seat from the greatest protection. Ages 1 to 4. Children age 1 to 4 with a weight between 20 to 40 pounds should sit in a forward-facing child car seat. Up to age 8. Children who weigh more than 40 pounds, regardless of age, should sit in a booster seat instead of a full child seat. Ages 8 to 15. After the child turns 8 years old, the child may ride in any normal seat using a seatbelt. Exceptions to the car seat restrictions. Transporting a child for a life-threatening emergency if no restraint system is available. A child care center transporting a child in a commercial motor vehicle. Transporting a child by a contract carrier, limo service, or common carrier. The state car seat law is a primary enforcement law. That means a police officer may lawfully pull over a driver for violating the statute without any other reason for a traffic stop. The driver may receive a ticket for the offense, which carries a $65 fee plus a $6 surcharge. Car seat tips for parents and drivers. Drivers may be legally responsible for making sure any child passenger is secured in the proper restraint system. However, parents or guardians should make sure they own appropriate safety seats for their child's age, height, and weight. Read the instructions to make sure your child falls within the measurement range. Parents or guardians should make sure that their children will ride at all times with the appropriate car safety seat. That may require taking a safety seat with the child if the child will ride in another person's vehicle. When purchasing any child restraint system, check for recalls before purchase. Avoid purchasing used or second-hand car seats. After purchase, you can also take your car for an inspection to make sure the car seat or booster seat is properly installed. Do I need to replace a car seat after a motor vehicle collision? You should replace any child car seat or booster seat if it was installed in a car involved in a motor vehicle collision, even if there was not a child in the seat at the time of the crash. You can file a claim to replace the car seat or booster seat after an auto accident. If another driver caused the accident, you can include the replacement cost of a car seat under the property damage claim along with damage to your car.